In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your power outlet on your 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. It's very easy, we don't need any tools, and it's only going to take about 2 minutes. Open the driver's side door, release the primary hood release lever. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, put one finger in there and lift it up. That's the secondary hood release lever. Now, you see that's the prop rod that will support the hood in place in front of the engine. Grab it, pull it out, and put it over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now that's the fuse box. We need to take the cover off. So press on those two tabs there and pull the cover out. We need to get the fuse puller out of this box. That's the box. That white colored thing, that's the fuse puller. Just pinch it there and pull it out. We can use this fuse puller to, as the name suggests, to pull fuses. See, that's how it works. Let's get to work. Inside the vehicle, that's where the second fuse box is. And that's the cover for that. We need to pull it, and it will come right out. There's a fuse diagram right behind the fuse cover there, and we will continue to reference it as we pull the fuses. First, we'll do the passenger side one. Pull the fuse out, see the power's gone. And that 15 amp one, that's a spare fuse. You can use that if you need to fix this problem right away and if you don't have a replacement one. Don't use a 20 or 10 amp, only use 15 amp. Now that's what a good fuse looks like. You see how the metal strip inside the fuse is connected, so that's good. For now, we'll just put the existing fuse back in its place. Push it. And that's it. See, the power's back on. Now let's do the cigarette lighter one. That's the one in the center console. Now that is a 20 amp fuse. Again, use the fuse puller, pull it out. See, the power's gone. So this 20 amp, that's the 20 amp spare fuse. You can put that over there if you don't have a replacement one and you need to fix the problem right away. For now, we're just going to put the original fuse back in its place, and as you can see, the power is back on. That's it. Let's put the fuse puller back in its place. Put the cover back on. It only goes in one way. And let's close the hood. That's pretty much it.